Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So it's that time of year again, guys. There are a ton of Black Friday sales at Lowe's.com. I'm talking about every category: seasonal, outdoor, decor, electrical, building materials, and more. So of all the categories of the things on sale at Lowe's, my favorite is tools. So today I've actually handpicked two of my favorite deals that I want to share with you here today that I'd love to give to someone, receive for myself, or better yet, just get for myself. I know some of you out there are going to do that, but don't worry, guys, I've done all the hard work. I'm going to guide you step by step through the process of getting these deals or anything else that's available at Lowe's.com. All right, my tool nut friends, you're going to love deal number one. It's a CRAFTSMAN deal. It's basically you buy this combo set right here and you get 2 additional free tools. Who doesn't love that? So let's start with what you have to buy. Here's the kit. It includes an impact driver and a drill. Now, that's on sale right now for $199. The deals just keep on getting better. So here's what's in the kit you have to buy. It's an impact driver, a drill, 2 batteries, a charger, and a soft carrying case. Now, these drills look great quality. You're going to see they also have brushless motors, so they have tons of power. So the way this deal works is if you add the combo kit we just looked at to your cart, you'll be able to select 2 additional tools that you will get for free. Let me show you the 9 options that you can select from for your 2 free tools. First of all, you have an inflator, an angle grinder, a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, a jigsaw, a sander, an oscillating multi-tool, a ratchet, and lastly, a router. So let me walk you through the process of getting this deal. First of all, you have to go to the combo tool product page. I'll have a link to that right down below. From there, you select choose your gifts. You can see I'm hovering over that right here. It'll put a pane on the right side of the screen as you see. Make sure you select the tools that you're interested in. Now, you may have to expand the tool list by selecting show more tools. That will be at the bottom of the page. But once you do that, you'll have an option to select any of the 9 tools you're interested in. From there, select show me my gifts. You can see they should show up, the ones that you selected. And from there, just go to your cart and make the purchase. All right, guys, so the deals keep coming. The second deal I want to share with you is from Kobalt. Just like the CRAFTSMAN offer, when you buy a qualifying kit, you'll score yourself 2 free tools. Now, who doesn't love that? Now, in this case, there are 2 different kits you can choose from. Kit number 1 includes a drill, impact driver, sander, compact circular saw, and battery. Kit number 2 includes a drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, flashlight, and battery. Both kits are on sale right now for $249. You're saving $50 right there. Now, once you select one of these kits using the link down below in the description, you'll be able to pick up any 2 free tools. Purchasing either of the Kobalt kits works exactly the same way as the CRAFTSMAN deal I walked you through earlier. I know you can handle that, guys, so go and get yourself an awesome deal. All right, guys, so I've shared with you 2 of my favorite deals available at Lowe's. Now, keep in mind, these Black Friday sales, they've got limited time, so you want to make sure if you want this, you act fast. Now, I'll have links to these products right down below in the description. Make sure you check that out. And keep in mind, guys, when I say value, I'm talking about a huge deal, lots of bang for your buck. So in these deals, you're getting what you spend or greater in value in gifts. That sounds like a bargain to me. So guys, please make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below what you think of these deals. I'd love to hear from you, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And with that, guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy your holidays. Get those deals now. And when you're done with that, when you're done shopping, clicking all that stuff, go and see that video right there.